Hi guys, today I'm making this lady's finger pachidi. I already put the oil and started with the onions. We saute that, then we add tomatoes, and then we add slit lady's finger, which is cut and kept like this. And follow me as I go along. Adding curry leaves, saute, little haldi, little chili, salt. To this I'm adding tomato. You can slice it long or short as you wish, but saute it well till it gets mashed. To this I'm adding 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and 1 to 1.5 spoons of sambar powder. Saute it again. We add a lot of oil for this to cook well. Now I add the slit lady's finger. This all washed, dried and then cut. And I have slit it to the side also. There will be a small slit to the side. Check all the spices as per your desire and close it and keep it. Now as it is getting soft, I am adding little tamarind pulp. And again cooking in it. Now for the final touch. To give it a sweet and sour effect, I add sugar or jaggery as per your wish. I'm adding jaggery. It's just not too much. So there's salt, there's chili, and there's a sweetness to it. Let it melt, and that's it.